Hi, my name is David Munano, a level 6 student at Solent University doing hair and makeup design. Today we are doing avant garde kind of hairstyle. To start over, I've held my model's hair up and used the Eco Styling Gel to smoothen the hair and held it up so that I can be able to anchor my hair pieces together. I've also got some tools with me. I've got a pair of scissors. I've got some hair clips, some rubber bands. I've got a tail comb, a back combing comb, and a styling comb. I also have some holding hairsprays that I will use later to hold the style together, as well as I've got hair styling gel. I've also got some rubber bands. And one thing with me, I normally don't plan what I'm gonna do. I just go in and just start creating the style, and I normally gain ideas as I'm doing the process. I gain my inspiration from big brands like Christoph Gillett, Gaetang, and also I do my research and come up with my own creative ideas by mixing different bits and bobs. I used 3 different colors of the hairpiece. I just wanted my style to be colorful. To be fair, I didn't know exactly how it's gonna come out, but I was just trying to achieve something colorful, something that will blend together. During the process, you have to be in front of a mirror. Like, you have to put your model in front of a mirror so that you can be constantly be looking at the mirror to check if the style is balancing. And at this point, I'm just holding the hair together, trying to make a shape out of the hair extensions. by the help of using hair clips, and I also used hairspray and the styling gel just to make the fly out to hold up together, to make something solid. And also I just sprayed the hair and used the styling clips just to hold the hair together until the hair is dry. Then I'll just take them off later. I finally added different decoration just to make the style more defined and colorful. Here I'm just using my creation of, I just folded foil papers and sprayed them with different hair colors, whereby I'm just gonna hold them together using the hairpins. And I'll just remove the hair grips that I had held the hair together, because it's already dry and the style will be ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the style. Bye.
Hi guys, I'm Vasiliki, and for the next part of this look, I will be doing the model's makeup. The first step is to cleanse the skin in order to remove oil and impurities from the surface of the skin. Because I'm aiming for a soft glam makeup look, I'm applying a dark brown eyeshadow color on the outer corner of the eye in order to enhance her natural eye shape. Next, I will be mixing these two concealer shades in order to create a perfect match.